So we're looking for why this tire keeps going flat slowly. And you can see right there.
I wonder if they could hear that too.
Yep. That's definitely a hole.
Oh yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to mark that one. And we're going to continue looking for holes.
Yeah.
And little things. Man, that's good eyes. You barely see that. What's that? Pick that out of there. Garbage.
Trash. About to roll off the end again to pick it up. Yeah.
Pick it up.
No good grip. There we go.
There we go.
Crap. More crap.
And this tire's got a bunch of cracks on it, so we're not looking to make it great. We're gonna just show Connor how we do one of these tire plugs.
Oh, that'll roll again.
Okay.
There's like 8 turns.
I mean, there's no doubt about why it's leaking. It's got cracks in every single tread gland.
But if this can keep air after we do this a little bit, there might be something right there.
What about this?
Now, but underneath the crack, way down in there, right there,
Yeah.
I can see something. Oh, it's just another rock.
Piece of glass or something. I think that first one we found is it.
Has to be.
Do a little spooter. It's just an annoyance to constantly have to put air in the tire while we're working on it. I already had one fixed on the 69. All right.
It's got to be it.
We're back around, so that works. So first thing we do is we pull it out. Or try and pull it out.
Oh, it's leaking now. Should be easy. It broke off. Still in there.
Yeah, it did. All right, so let's let the air out of the tire. And to do that, got a special
Relief valve.
I just saw it the other day. We don't actually have to take it out. Let's just
Oh, I was about to say, wouldn't that thing kind of do the trick?
slowly. You hold that on there and
Yeah.
let the air out. And here are our tools. We got a reamer. We got the piece that holds the plug, and then we got a couple of plugs.
Those seem pretty old. Are they good?
Oh, they're fine. They're fine, especially for this. We have a brand new kit from ARB, but we're using these. Let's see if I can find that valve core remover. But I'm pretty sure by the way, here's a 10mm socket that's way old.
Holy shit. It's not usable, that's for sure.
Right? I wonder what the heck I did. Oh, here it is. So you don't need one of these, but you do if you want to get that out of there. Okay, let it out.
Oh.
And
Oh, you just twist it to open up the valve.
you unturn the valve stem.
There we go.
We remove the valve stem out of the tire to get the pressure out, so we're not fighting the pressure to get this thing to get in there. Now where's the hole? Right there.
Yep.
Hopefully we'll be able to work this down in there. You can screw this back in.
Yep.
Nice and gentle like. Those rips you're hearing is going through the
Rubber.
the metal.
Oh, the metal.
This metal belts, steel belted radio. So you get it to where this thing goes in and out
Fairly easily.
Yep.
It's just reaming in and out. Now, should you always relieve all the pressure in the tire every time, or no? I'd imagine you should.
I think you should, because you're going to be
Safer.
fighting it.
Well, that it's a little bit safer, because that way there's not 30 or 40 pounds
Right.
of air. We still got the little wire in there.
That's okay. I don't know how it's still in there, though.
Or maybe I'm looking at the steel wall.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right. So we got our
Plug.
destruction plug. And my gloves have grease on them, so you can see that on the plug here. I'm just gonna do it without that glove, because I gotta get that on there.
Mm-hmm.
And through it, but you gotta be able to grab it.
Yeah, because it's greased up.
Well, it's got glue and stuff.
Well, there we go.
So that's about
Halfway.
all we need. It's not quite big enough yet. Smell burning rubber now. There we go. So it's like that, right?
Yep. Oh, it just comes out there.
Yank it out and it opens it up, comes off.
That was a lot easier to get out than it was in.
Yeah.
And then we just snip it off.
After we inflate it.
Okay. Make sure the little stem is in. Oh, that's right. We don't have Tony's little thing.
Yeah.
I gotta get one.
Firing up the compressor. start filling it, and you just snug that thing down, right?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I went down a little bit. That was to my spec.
Nope, that's good enough. Got a rubber seal.
Probably need to compress it and wait a little longer.
Yeah, it's almost full. It gets slow.